Everyone knows Gordon Ramsay as a fairy chef from TV, but how does his food measure up in real life? Today I'm taking you inside Lucky Cat in Miami, his signature sushi and a Pan-Asian restaurant to see if the dishes are as unforgettable as his personality.
Hello, and welcome to Gordon Ramsay. Let's check it out.
First try in the Gordon Ramsay place. Let's try.
Spicy as fuck. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. I feel like a dragon, but I hope this can be better.
Look, this is uni, special uni on the bread.
I don't know. I love my style. I don't like it.
Yeah.
So beautiful, monkeys. That's very special actually. Very different taste of any monkeys I ever tried. This is good one. Wow, really nice. My favorite is this one. Meatballs in the house. Let's try. So this is a little bit spicy. This is chicken, some rice. Looking amazing. So I'm not sure how you're gonna do this. I don't know how to do it. No, I'm gonna be all in this. Okay, I got it. Yeah. Nice, sweet. Try some meat. So greasy. It's good, much better than the fish actually. No. Oh, that's what. So it's a chocolate and pineapple.
Well, caramel with roasted pineapple. Then it's going to be the chocolate inside and outside log with our vanilla bean or just for the aftertaste.
It's like a booty. So good. Like a mommy cooking. No. how to put it back. No, this is amazing. I like. So just finished dinner in the Gordon Ramsay restaurant. It was amazing, like set up in the restaurant. The service is so good. The Gabriela service was just insanely good. And I not really like the fish so much, but it was fresh. So some of the dishes I do like a lot, especially dessert. I love it. Yeah, but some of them was okay. But anyway, we like it and we'll be back. Thank you for watching.